So you bought a brand new Tesla, a Model 3, a Model Y, and you're ready to get accessories. The problem is most of the stuff out there is just junk. If you're tired of buying crap on Amazon, this video's for you. All right, so check it out. Spigen has released a whole new line of accessories, and to celebrate that, they sent an entire package. These are some pretty awesome ones, including some new ones that are going to be a must-have. Of course, you've probably heard the name Spigen when it comes to cell phone accessories, but did you know they also make Tesla accessories? The reason why that matters is because they actually make some good stuff, and pricing is not that crazy either. But we are stuck in this age where everything is a race to the bottom, the cheapest, and you get the cheapest. That's basically how this works. Unbranded stuff, it's just everywhere, and it's cheap, cheap, cheap. This stuff is only a little bit more money and actually really high quality stuff. Spigen has actually spent a lot of time designing these accessories with one thing in mind. They wanted to make something that's still affordable, but something that will actually last. So today we're gonna dive into an assortment of Spigen's accessories. So let's kick things off with the Frunk. Up here in the Frunk, we actually have new dividers that Spigen has released. These dividers, just like the ones directly from Tesla, they fit perfectly in the Frunk. It allows you to take this big open space and compartmentalize it. So you can have one big space, two spaces, or three individual spaces. But theirs is pretty cool because it has this nice felt or rubberish material here on the edges that helps it stay in place and not rattle around. It's actually a perfect fit, and this is a must-have if you've got a Juniper Model Y. So follow me to the back of the car because they've got some new protectors for this back space, which is a very high impact area. What's cool is it's not just this one piece right here. This lip guard is a must-have because there's no plastic back here that can just be replaced. It's all carpet. So this thing, when it goes in place, it actually stays, unlike the other ones, and it's because on the back, it actually has this tacky material that grabs onto the carpet without fraying the carpet. This is perfect. You gotta have this one because when you pull stuff out of the sub trunk, it takes that thing with it every time. This one stays in place. And while we're back here, check this out. I've never seen anything like this before. This is actually a protector that goes around the surface underneath this opening. Pretty cool. This thing, it's kind of a softish material and it blends right in. This is gonna help protect this whole area. Again, another high impact area. This thing is easy to install. You basically just clean the area out, unroll it, and then you peel back on the protective sheet. Then you just use the squeegee and put this thing nicely in place. Now you have protection top and bottom all the way in the back. And this one is a new one and it's pretty cool. Now it's time to head inside where we've got a number of storage solutions. Of course, Spigen has been making center console trays for quite some time now, and they're high quality. They're just thick material. They have nice soft touch materials inlaid in them. However, they have a new one, and this one is for all the Stanley Cup people out there. I don't know why these Stanley Cups are everywhere and everybody has to have them, but they don't fit in any cup holder. This is gonna fix that issue because this is basically, instead of having the tray on top, you can have this bottom tray that has a huge cup holder in it just for you Stanley Cup people. What's cool about that too is you can also, when you're not using it for a Stanley Cup, you can put the top tray back on and they both fit perfectly. And while you're here, check this thing out. It's not just one of those 12-volt plugs. This one is actually pretty unique. It actually has a retractable USB-C plug on it, which is really slick, but that's not it. It also has a USB-C plug and a USB-A plug. The reason why you would maybe want to use this instead of just one of the USB outlets in the car is because you can get 60 watts of power from this one spot. Once you start using the other USB plugs in the car, it starts to split the power that's available. This will give you 60 watts of power, which is pretty nice. And while we're here, check this out underneath the driver's seat. These are super convenient, especially if you're on road trips. You can slide things in here underneath the seat, out of sight, out of mind. You don't have to worry about some of your valuables if you're parking overnight, maybe at a hotel. You gotta check this out, this under seat storage tray. Now, right here underneath the screen, one of my favorite accessories for all of our cars is putting a tray here underneath. It's very convenient to slide things in, easily accessible while you're on the road. If you want to slide your AirPods in there or whatever, this one is different than most out there because it doesn't clip on, it's actually magnetic. And it's not just magnetic like some of the cheaper ones that you've seen. This one is a strong magnet. It's also got this cool magnet up on the top tray where if you have something that you want to place there, you can put it there. Or you can just take this adhesive magnet right here and put it on your favorite thing and it'll stick right there. These things are pretty awesome, and Spigen's, of course, that same go-to soft touch feel on the rubber on the inside. Yeah, this one's a no-brainer. If I've said it once, I've said it a million times. Having fun with little touches on the outside are totally worth it. And Spigen has released their own valve stem covers. These things are pretty fun. They've got the same distinct Spigen carbon fiber look to them, and they're not all that expensive and adds a little bit of personality to your car on the outside. Definitely worth having these, and they make a really good stocking stuffer if it's that time of year. This MagSafe phone holder is pretty slick because of the way that it attaches, and it's got a soft touch material just like all Spigen accessories, so it doesn't make a lot of scratches or indent into the materials on the inside of the car. This thing just kind of slides in place. Of course, it's got the traditional ball mount so you can angle it any way you like, but this is super cool. If you want to get something on the dash that doesn't charge, this is definitely worth checking out because this is awesome even for passengers up front on road trips. Your wife, your husband, whatever, they can put their phone, their iPad, whatever, right here on this MagSafe holder and relax watching a movie while you're doing the supervising. All right, listen up, dog owners. This one is a must-have. This is a pet divider unlike any that I've seen before. It's not just Spigen quality, but it's actually super slim, it's compact, and it is a lot easier to take with you to set up and tear down versus the traditional huge ones that cover everything. If you just want to create a barrier between the back seat and the front, this is for you. It's so convenient to set up and tear down. If you travel, if you have a companion with you all the time in the car, you've got to have this. This will help keep them out of your space and keep you and your friend safe at all times. And now for the last accessory. This is actually an interior cleaning kit. This kit is pretty cool. It doesn't just have the cyber design of the case, which is magnetic, by the way, no zippers. But when you open it up, you can see it's molded just for this bottle. It's actually a pretty big bottle of cleaning solution. This is for everything on the inside. It's good for your vegan leather. It's good for the dash. It's good for the doors. It's good for the seats, everything. This is your all-purpose cleaner on the inside, but it also leaves a slight coating on stuff to help keep it protected. So after you clean a seat, as an example, you can feel a film on there. And that is to help you maintain the cleanliness of the inside of your car between cleaning. I did test a few spots that I had in the car. Generally, I try to stay on top of these things, but there are a few spots and it cleaned up no problem, as you would expect. Also, it's got this Velcro on the back, so if you want, you can slap it onto the carpet in the back and store it back there. And if you don't want to do that, you can just, of course, toss it up into your newly divided Frunk. So that is just an assortment of some of the Spigen accessories that are available today for your Model Y or your Model 3. They have a ton of other accessories available as well. And listen, if you just want cheap accessories, that's not a problem. They're a dime a dozen on Amazon. You can find them everywhere. But if you want something a little bit nicer, you have this premium car, why wouldn't you want to get something that is a little bit nicer than just the basic stuff? You got to check out Spigen because the upcharge for this kind of quality is a lot less than you would think. And in fact, when there's sales going on, they're actually just as affordable as some of the cheapest stuff out there. So you got to check this out. There's links in the description to help you find these accessories, and make sure you check out the rest of Spigen's assorted options because ever since they got in the Tesla space, I have been their #1 fan, no doubt. And don't just take my word for it. Look in the comments below. If you have Spigen accessories, you know what I'm talking about. You can put that in the comments and people can look at that and see, I'm not just saying it. It's actually true. This is good stuff. So with that, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a like. Be sure to subscribe. I thank you so much for joining us today, and I can't wait to catch you on the next one.